Hey everyone, my name's Olivia. I'm one of the BMW geniuses here at BMW Northwest, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust some of the settings on your Intelligent Safety Feature button. So let's go ahead and jump on in and get started. Now that we're in the vehicle, I would like you to select on the Intelligent Safety Feature button. From there, select on Configure Individual. The first one being the frontal collision warning. You can select that to early, medium, or late. Today, I'm going to select on medium. As far as the lane departure warning, anytime you're going above 40 miles per hour, if you do not use your turn signal when you're switching lanes, we can have steering intervention happen, where the car is going to correct you and center you back into your lane. If that's something that you don't like, simply unselect steering intervention and that won't happen. The last one being the active blind spot detection. Would you like the earliest notification that somebody's entered your blind spot, medium, or late? For me, I'm going to select on early. Once you're done, simply hit the home button. That'll take you back to the main menu and you've locked in your Intelligent Safety Feature settings. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more.